students. Previous class we started our new chapter, that is teeth and microbes. In that we studied about the two sets of teeth, that is of temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Today we shall continue the topic further, that is in this class we shall discuss about the kinds of teeth. So there are four types of teeth based on their function. So regarding this, first we shall study the content, and now you people open your textbook and take out the page number 217. Let's read the content, then we shall go for the explanation.
Kinds of teeth. The 32 permanent teeth that we have are of different kinds. They are of four types based on their functions. Incisors. There are four incisors in each jaw. They help in cutting and biting the food. Canines. There are two canines in each jaw. It is located on either side of the incisor. Canines are sharper than the incisors. They are used to tear the food or the flesh of other animals. Canines are very sharp in flesh-eating animals like tiger. Premolars. There are four premolars in each jaw. These teeth have broad surfaces. They are used to crush and chew food. Molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are bigger, flatter and broader. They are used to grind food. Animals that eat plants have well-developed molars because they have to chew their food a lot.
Now we shall see which are those four kinds of teeth and how they are and what are their functions.
Types of teeth. That is, have you looked at your teeth carefully in the mirror? We have four different kinds in our mouth. They have different shapes and different uses. First is incisors. Look at your front teeth carefully. We use these sharp teeth for cutting and biting for food. They are called as incisors or cutting teeth. We have 4 incisors in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Canines. We have 4 pointed and sharp teeth next to the incisors, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. We tear our food with the help of canines. They are called as tuning teeth. Next is premolars. These are the flat and white teeth located next to the canines. They are used to chew the food. There are 4 premolars in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. The last is molars. The molars are grinding teeth, have flat surface than the premolars. They have flat, broad upper surfaces to grind the food as we chew. There are 6 molars in each jaw. Firstly, 1 molar grows in each jaw. Later, 2 more molars grow in each jaw. We use incisors to cut the food, canines to tear the food, and premolars and molars to crush, chew and grind the food.
Alright students, so through the video what we have learned, let us summarize once again quickly. Kinds of teeth. So inside our mouth we have so many types of teeth inside our mouth, isn't it? So all teeth are different from one another. So totally we have how many kinds of teeth? We have 4 types of teeth inside our mouth. But totally how many teeth we have? We have 32 teeth, right? Those 32 teeth have been divided into 4 categories. One is incisors, second is canines, third is premolars and fourth is molars. So 32 teeth have been divided into 4 types based on their functions. Okay. Now the first kind is incisors. So incisors are nothing but the front teeth. So these front first 4 teeth, upper and lower jaw. Before that each jaw. What is meant by jaw? Jaw is nothing but that in Urdu we will say jabda, right? So this is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. The teeth which have been situated in the upper side, that upper side is called upper jaw, and the teeth which have been situated at the bottom side, that is called lower jaw. Okay, this is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw, like this. So in the upper jaw we have 4 incisors, whereas in the lower jaw we have 4 incisors. Totally how many? Totally we have how many incisors? That is 8 incisors. Okay, 4 in each jaw. 4 upper, 4 lower. Totally 8 incisors we have. Okay, 4 in each jaw means totally we have how many incisors? Totally we have 8 incisors. Okay. Now what is the function of this incisor? They help in cutting and biting the food, isn't it? Whatever the food we eat, the first thing that we do is we will cut that particular food particle, isn't it? And with the help of what kind of teeth do we cut? We shall cut with this side teeth or this side? No. The first teeth that we use to cut the food is the front teeth, isn't it? So these front teeth, they are nothing but the incisors, and these incisors, they will help in cutting and biting. Biting means katarna, like this. Okay. So these incisors, they will help in cutting and biting the food. Okay. Whereas canines. So how many canines we have? We have 2 canines in each jaw. 2 canines in each jaw. That means 2 upper we have and 2 lower we have. Okay. Totally how many canines we have? 4. दो ऊपर और दो नीचे. So in the front we have these incisors, whereas after these incisors, next to the incisors we have sharp teeth, that is they are called the canines, and these canines, they will be sharp and they help in tearing the food or flesh. So if we have taken any kind of food and it's not getting tear, it's not getting cut, then we will tear that food, isn't it? तो अगर कुछ खाना कोई भी चीज अगर हमारे दांतों से कट नहीं हो रही है तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेयर. दैट मीन्स वी विल हम खींचते हैं उसको, राइट. सो एंड खींचने के लिए हम इस दांत का नहीं बल्कि इसके बाजू वाले जो दांत हैं उसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं, राइट. एंड दैट इज डूइंग लाइक दिस, इट इज कॉल्ड टेयरिंग, एंड द टेयरिंग इज done with the help of which teeth? Canine teeth. Okay. So totally we have canine, two canines in the upper and lower. That means totally we will have 4 canines. They will be very sharp and compared to other teeth, and they help in the tearing of the food or flesh. Okay. And the third is premolars. So what does this premolars? How many are they? Premolars, they are also 4 in number. Even we have 4 premolars in the upper jaw and 4 premolars in the lower jaw. So 4 and 4. That means how many premolars we have? We have 8 premolars. Okay. So ऊपर 4 premolars, नीचे 4 premolars. Totally 8 premolars. Okay. Now these are broad. How they will be? Premolars will be broad. Broad means चौड़े. Okay. And they have broad surface and they help to crush the food. So these are broad. They have broad surface. Canines, they were sharp. Okay. Whereas premolars, they were broad. They have the broad surface. That means चौड़ा surface होता है. And they help to crush and chew the food. Crush means कुचलना. Okay. Crush and chew the food. So first we will cut the food. If it is not getting cutting, then we will tear the food. So we will cut the food with the help of incisors. So if it is not getting cut, then we will use the help of, we will take the help of canines to tear that food, and after cutting and tearing, then we will chew the food, isn't it? And this chewing is done by premolars. And the last is molars. So how many molars we have? We have 6 molars in each jaw. So 6 molars, that means 6 in the upper and 6 in the bottom jaw. Totally how many we have? So totally we have 12 molars in our mouth. So what are these molars? How they will be? These are bigger. Molars are bigger when compared to incisors, canines and premolars. These molars, they are bigger, flatter. Flatter means like flat surface. Okay? They will be bigger, flatter and broader. So ये बड़े भी होते हैं, चौड़े भी होते हैं और चपटे भी होते हैं. Okay. And what is the function of these molars? They help in grind the food. Grind means mixing, okay, like how in the mixer all the ingredients they will get mixed. Grind, no. Similarly, whatever the food that we used to take, that we used to cut, bite, tear, chew, and finally it will get the grinding with the help of these molars, and they will be present at the last side of your last. They will be the last teeth present here. Okay. So hence these are the 4 kinds of teeth. We have totally how many teeth we have? We have totally 32 teeth. Okay. Those 32 teeth have been divided into 4 categories. That is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So incisors, they will be 4 in each jaw. That means totally 8 incisors we have. They help in cutting and biting. Canines totally 2 in each jaw. Totally 4 canines we have, and these are sharp and they help in the tearing of the food. Whereas premolars, they will be 4 in each jaw, and totally they will be 8, and these are broad surface. They help to crush and chew the food. And lastly, molars. We have 6 molars in each jaw. That means totally we have 12 molars, and these are bigger, flatter, broader, and they finally help in the grinding of the food. So students, note down all these points in your explanation and homework book, and go through the concept once again, and keep this concept in your mind. The further content we shall continue in the next class. Thank you.